Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by quickly cleaning and drying the finger. This removes oil so adhesives bond. Once done, trim any jagged edges with small scissors, cut only loose parts. Make sure to sand the underside lightly with a file to flatten sharp fibers, because glue grips better to roughen surfaces. Next, position materials within reach. You want nail glue, a small file, a buffer, and a tiny coffee stirrer or toothpick ready. Begin while the glue is capped to avoid. You apply one small drop of nail glue along the split, and then a dot under the lifted edge. This two-sided approach bonds faster. Hold the broken tip closed with steady pressure for about 30-60 seconds, because curing time is critical for a strong join. While holding, add a thin patch. Tear a strip from a tea bag or silk wrap and press it over the seam, then apply another tiny layer of glue. Make sure the patch is flush and smooth before moving on. Once the glue has set, file carefully to restore the nail's shape. Use gentle, one-way strokes to avoid resplitting. Buff the surface until smooth, then apply a clear top coat to seal the repair and add strength. Let it dry fully. Make sure to keep the nail dry for at least 1 hour and avoid heavy use for 24 hours to let the bond mature. If you notice bubbling, lifting, or pain, remove the repair and repeat the process. Infection signs require medical attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.